I'm Sai Ram to you, all children. I will be teaching Rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Class 8, subject is Social Science, Part 1, Chapter 6. I will be teaching Rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Today I will be teaching Rise of Jainism and Buddhism. In this video, we are going to learn introduction on rise of Jainism and Buddhism and reasons behind the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Let us learn about introduction on rise of Jainism and Buddhism. See, these are the pictures of Mahavira and Gautama Buddha, the founder of Jainism, Mahavira, and the founder of Jainism, Buddhism, Gautama Buddha. Okay, they are the founders of Jainism and Buddhism. See, next, let us learn about introduction. Introduction on the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. India is a land of many cultures and religions. The Jainism and Buddhism are the two important religions. They emerged during the 6th century BCE in the mid region of river Ganga plains. Okay, India is a land of many cultures and religions. In India, the Jainism and Buddhism are the two important religions. They emerged. Okay, they emerged. See the picture. Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. Okay, these are the four Varnas. See, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. Okay, all of you see? Yes. See the reasons, the reasons behind the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. What are the reasons? The rise of Jainism and Buddhism. See, by the time of 6th BCE, Indian society was divided on the basis of Varnas. All four Varnas had emerged clearly. Varnas are Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Sudras. Varnas based society had created tensions and complaints among the communities. See, students, in this Varna system, Sudras were illiterated and were known as untouchables. They were harassed. They could not enter a temple or draw water from a common well. They were refused all social and religious rights. Okay? Rights. After that, the rise of Jainism and Buddhism, okay, they founded. Okay? Yes. See, these are the reasons behind the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. See, agriculture reasons. In all most of the ancient times, the same period agriculture practices and rise in food production played a major role in profound changes to happen in the political and religious system. Same are the reason for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. See, agriculture reasons. Agriculture reasons in most of the ancient times, the same period agriculture practices and rise the food production. Rise the food production played a major role in profound changes to happen in the political and religious system. Okay. At the same time, reasons for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism happened. Okay. These are the reason. Agriculture reasons. See, agriculture and animals. By the time the east of present Uttar Pradesh region, north and south of present Bihar were witnessing emergence of new economic structure based on new agriculture. Oxen were used in some places for pulling or carrying heavy loads in order to improve food production. Since Jainism and Buddhism rejected animal sacrifice. Okay? And why they are rejected animal sacrifice? The animal sacrifice and yagnas, which became the important part of the Hindu religions, caused financial problems to the common man. Animal sacrifices hurt their feelings. The people wanted to religion that was simple in form. Okay, that was the one of the reasons to rise in Jainism and Buddhism. Okay, yeah. See next let us learn what is the summary of the lesson. India is a land of many cultures and religions. Varnas were Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Sudra. Varnas based society had created tensions and complaints among the communities. Agriculture and animal sacrifice were the reason for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Okay, these are the summary of the lesson. Okay, next let us homework. See, what is the homework? Write any two reasons for the rise of new religion. How many Varnas were there in 6th century? Who were supported the Jainism and Buddhism? The Sudras were considered as the dash class. Fifth one, Jainism and Buddhism rejected dash sacrifice. Okay, these are the homework questions. All of you do in your home regularly and note down in your EVS classwork. Okay, all of you do this homework. Okay, Sairam. Now I stopped this lesson. Tomorrow I will continue next part of the lesson. Sairam.